Hello and welcome back to my craft room. When I got home from work today, guess what was waiting for me? It's the 2nd of March, so this is the bead boxes from Deborah Beads for March 2022. They usually arrive on the 2nd or 3rd of the month, and it's always a lovely surprise to come home to. I'm a bit tired. We had quite a hard day at work, but I couldn't resist. I can't wait till tomorrow to open these, so let's get to it. Now, I have 2 subscriptions from Deborah Beads. They cost £5 a month each. That includes post and pack into the UK. One is the Bead Box and one is the Kit Box. The Kit Box gives you everything you need to make a specific set of necklace and earrings, or bracelet and earrings usually. Where the Bead Box is a kind of a collection, a themed collection of beads to build up your stash and give you something to get your creativity going. So I love them both. They usually work together really well. But I haven't made any time for jewellery making for ages. So I've still got last month's and I think the months before boxes. But I have got a couple of weeks off work now, so you could expect a little flurry of of videos, jewellery and other things. So right, let's get into these. So I won't know which is which because they look the same from the outside until I get into them. So let's see. Which one should we go? Meeny, meeny, miny, moe. This one. Which is it? Oh, so this is the Kit Box. Ooh, spring flower power. That's good timing because it's starting to feel a little bit like spring is in the air and we're all ready for a change. And I love a sunflower, so this bodes well. Take the tissue off. Oh, that's a bit different. That's a bit of fun. Okay, you can see there's a little hole at the top. It's like a resin. So this is to make, it looks like it's earrings and necklace. Yeah, earrings and necklace. Now usually, because I'm not an earrings wearer, I tend to just make a necklace or bracelet and I throw the extra earring bits in to kind of make an extra bead dangle or something. So we've got the resin flower pendant. We've got 4 6mm gold plated jump rings. All the findings are in here. A pair of gold plated ear wires and a gold plated lobster clasp. And 2 culotte crimps. Oh, and beading wire and crimps. That's a beading wire, and yeah, hopefully you can make out there 4 little gold wire crimps. Orange glass bugle beads. And one of the great things about having kits like this is it does make you try things you wouldn't have picked up, and I certainly wouldn't have picked out orange bugle beads. Yeah, so yeah, I might end up doing I might end up doing something completely different with this. That's really unusual. This is certainly outside my usual comfort zone. And then we've got black glass seed beads and cream glass seed beads. So that's everything in the kit box, and you get a lovely clear set of instructions with nice big photos so you know what you're doing. Teaches you the basic jewellery making techniques. So that's those. So let's have a look at the bead box. So that was the Kit Box, this is the Bead Box. Usually they kind of go together, but not always. And what I've done more recently is throw the whole lot in together and make one big glorious necklace or bracelet. Oh look, well, they definitely do go together because we've got another one of those resin flower charms. We've got some orange beading cord and culotte crimps. Camera doesn't want to focus because it's in the plastic. Oh, there we go. You see the culotte crimps there. They're used for creating the fastenings at either end. We've got some golden pearly glass beads. I have to tap them on my teeth to find out what they're made of. Yeah, so they're like a pearlized glass bead. Oh, these are a bit different, aren't they? Real kind of fluorescent. Oh, they don't really show up so fluorescent on the camera, but they really are quite a fluorescent orange in a frosted glass. That's really unusual. Ooh. The camera's not quite sure what to make of them either. That's fun. And what's this? Ooh. Although you've got with the kit box, you get a list of everything that's in there. With the bead box, you don't. So I'm not always sure what it is I've got. I think these are probably resin again. They're like a kind of trumpet shaped leaf, really, and the hole goes through. Oh, I can't make the camera show it. The hole goes through the centre of the trumpet. I wonder if it will show. I can't get it to show. There we go. I think you can just about see there. That's a bit different, isn't it? This is my favourite thing about these kits, is it really does make me, it sparks off my creativity. It makes me try things I wouldn't have just gone in and picked up. This is beautiful. I love, it's glass, I believe. It's got a lovely iridescent finish to it, and it's a really irregular shape, but very, very smooth. All the different faces are very smooth. It's lovely. Now there must be a hole going through here somewhere. Yeah, there's the hole. Goes right through lengthways. Ooh, this one's quite challenging, which I really like. So then there's these green, yeah, glass again, beads with quite a large hole, which I like. There's a kind of coppery gold colour, kind of quite an orangey coppery colour wire. Lots of gold plated findings. There's a clasp there you could use for bracelet or necklace. There's a lobster clasp, a couple of ear wires, some head pins, and a couple of jump rings. 3 jump rings, I think. There is. I do feel if I was going to plump for one, oh, I had that on the wrong side. If I was going to plump for one or the other, I'd go for the bead box. I do think you get more for your money. But then with the kit box, you get all the instructions and ideas. So certainly when you're starting off, when I was starting off, I had the kit box and I really loved it. And I do still. They're very good value. I love that. I love any kind of daisy type flower. Yeah, I love that. Love that little charm. Ooh. And then we've got these little pearly glass filling beads in a really pretty green colour. Very spring-like colours. That fluorescent orange, I wish you could see it in real life. Love it. And then last but not least, always in the bead box you get like this little mini kit which makes a pair of earrings. So in this case we've got the gold plated ear wires, a couple of head pins, the ones with a ball on the end, which I really like. See if I can get it to, there we go, with a ball on the end instead of the flat head. And then these really pretty, I think it must be like shell or mother of pearl or something, beads with, yeah, hole down through the middle. Very natural looking. Yeah, so you could just make a little pair of earrings with those. But I think I'm going to make a fantastical charm. I'm going to mishmash both these kits and make an amazing springtime bright and cheerful charm bracelet. That'll be really different, with things I would never have picked out. I would never have gone and picked out, or you know, or you can order online. Really want to get down to the bricks and mortar shop in Colchester, which isn't that far away for me. And now hopefully lockdowns are behind us. Maybe I can actually do that quite soon. That'd be really good. Be a nice little day trip for me. So that is the contents of my March 2022 Deborah beads subscription boxes, the kit box and the bead box. Love them. But I'm going to find them quite challenging, but I think I can end up with a really nice fun piece of jewellery. I'm picturing a multi-stranded kind of charm bracelet, I think, with this. It's one of my favourite things to do. Oh, I missed a bit, look. You always get in the bead box, you always get some kind of a chain. Quite a short little length of chain this time, but it looks like it's a gold plated one. It feels really nice quality. It's got nice big links on it, which I like because I can put little charms through it, and that's plenty to make a multi-stranded charm bracelet with. So yeah, I think that's where I'm going to be going with this. Okay, watch this space if you like this kind of thing. As I say, I've got a couple of weeks off, so I need to catch up. I need to have a couple of serious jewellery making sessions, so I'll probably have a little series of make it into a series of shorter videos. That's it for now. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you again really soon.